If you've been using YouTube for a while, then no doubt you've encountered this attention-grabbing section called YouTube Shorts. Yes, I'm talking about YouTube's short-form content, which is heavily promoted by the YouTube algorithm with 70 billion daily views. This is absolutely amazing. Now, in this new era of speed, I don't want my subscribers to miss this opportunity, so I've created an amazing course where I teach all the ins and outs of YouTube Shorts. If you want to be part of our community, where I upload a new opportunity video every week, subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get notifications every time I post a new video. Here's what we're going to cover in this video. 1. Why we should choose YouTube Shorts. 2. What to upload on YouTube Shorts. 3. How to make short-form content. 4. The essential elements for success in YouTube Shorts. Stick around until the end because I'm going to reveal the secrets most YouTubers are afraid to share. Now let's talk about why YouTube Shorts. It is the most efficient and reliable way to make content. If you compare it with YouTube's long-form content, you'll have to come up with a unique idea that isn't very popular in the YouTube marketplace and doesn't have much competition in it. After spending so much time and research to come up with a unique idea, you then have to write an engaging script that can hook viewers from start to end. Believe me, this is really time-consuming. After spending so much time on an idea and script, you need to film it properly without any mistakes and edit it with the right techniques and formulas. Now you can see why creating long-form content is more time and energy-consuming than YouTube Shorts. In Shorts, there isn't much competition. You just need to create a strong hook that is so powerful it can grab a viewer's attention. You might think it's easy. You can just upload anything, and it will get views. Let me tell you, YouTube will only promote shorts that aren't copied from anyone else. Now let's talk about what to upload. Look, there are hundreds of niches in which you can create shorts and monetize your YouTube channel, but most of them aren't very popular and can be time-wasting. So, I'll be choosing a niche that is highly famous and gets millions of views due to its efficiency. In this video, I'll show you the complete A to Z process, so you don't need to worry about anything. If you have any questions, just comment under this video and I'll reply as soon as possible. Before we start, please like this video. It motivates me to create more content and shows your appreciation. Let's begin. The first step before creating a short is to create a YouTube channel. The process is simple and quick, so I won't be showing it in this video. Let's jump into the main process. After setting up your channel, you need to decide on a niche for your shorts. As I mentioned, I'm choosing a very famous niche, motivational content. But wait, before you click off this video, let me clarify that I'm not talking about the highly competitive motivational niche. I've found a low competition niche that not many people are making shorts in. If you start now, there's a high chance of success. I'm talking about the anime motivation niche. We'll use anime clips as our B-rolls, but there's a catch that I'll reveal later in the video, so stick around and don't skip any parts. First, watch this entire video to understand everything, then implement it. To create a short, the first step is writing a script. Writing scripts is time-consuming, so we'll use ChatGPT to generate the script. Open ChatGPT and ask it to write a script about motivation, providing an example of any motivational short to guide it. If you have trouble writing the prompt, you can copy mine from the description. Once you've entered the prompt and received the result, read the script. If changes are needed, ask ChatGPT to make corrections. When you're satisfied, copy the script and paste it into Google Docs to avoid losing it. Now that our script is ready, it's time to convert it into a human voice. You don't need to record it yourself. Instead, we'll use an AI tool called 11 Labs to generate a human-like voice. You'll find all the tools links in the description. In 11 Labs, you'll see a beginner-friendly interface. On the left, click the voice button under the speech section. If you're signing in with a new account, you won't see any saved voices. Use the Add Generative or Cloned Voice button to clone any person's voice. For now, click the Library button to explore thousands of voice models. Filter the options by narrative and story. Adjust settings like age, style, and language, and add the voice you like to your library. Once your voice model is added, go to the My Voices section and click the Use button. Paste the script from Google Docs into the empty box, adjust stability and similarity settings, then generate the speech. Listen to it and correct any issues, ensuring punctuation is accurate for a good final result. Download the audio script. Now, it's time to download B-rolls for the shorts. Instead of using clips from existing anime shows, which may have copyright issues, We'll create our own using an AI tool called Pika AI. The link is in the description. On the Pika AI homepage, click Try Pika and sign in using Google or Discord. Once signed in, you'll see the work of others and the prompts they used. Write your prompt, describing your scene in detail and specifying anime style for an anime look. Generate the clip, noting it will be 4 seconds long. Choose and download the clip you like. We're halfway through the process. Next, we need to edit the short video. You don't need to be a pro editor or have a high-end PC. Download CapCut editing software, which is free and beginner-friendly. After installing CapCut, open it to see the interface. Click Create Project to start a new project. Import your AI-generated script and B-roll clips. Ensure you have more than 10 clips to allow for adjustments and increase view duration. Drag the script to the timeline and cut out silent parts using Ctrl+B. Join the clips together, then create a compound clip with Alt+G. Now paste the Pika clips into the timeline, matching them with the script. Adjust the clips carefully. To hide watermarks on clips, select the 9:16 aspect ratio and adjust the clips to full screen. Add captions using the Auto Captions feature, then edit them for clarity and style. Break lines for better retention and add text animations. Next, perform basic color grading. Use the custom adjustment bar to adjust colors, ensuring the short isn't overcolored. Finally, add background music. Search for motivational music on Pixabay, download it, and import it into the timeline. Adjust the volume and cut unnecessary parts. Export the final short video by clicking the export button. That's it.
When life gets tough, remember this: every setback is a setup for a comeback. It's not about how many times you fall down, but how many times you get back up. Success isn't just about talent, it's about effort. Keep pushing forward, even when it feels hard. Embrace the challenges, because they're the stepping stones to your dreams. Believe in yourself, work hard, and never give up. Your perseverance today will be your strength tomorrow.
If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!